Hi guys, I'm doing a unboxing of a American Airlines. It's a 777 and this is by Skymarks, and I just got this today, so I'm gonna go ahead and start opening the box. I I actually need to stop buying so many planes. I need to get more space. I need to make me a shelf or something, because my space is very small. And here it is. Wow, looks pretty big to me. I have two 777s. I have two 777s by Skymarks, and they don't look as big as this one. And here again, this is it's one that I got today. It's got landing gear. It's an American Airlines Boeing 777-300 ER. And this is supposed to be the one with the stand made out of wood. Let's see. I'm starting to like this. I like what I see already. So it looks big. It's bigger than the, like I said, than the other 777s that I already have. And this is the new livery. As you can see, it's got the landing gears. So let me turn off that music. It's already getting on my nerves. So this is the first time I get an airplane that has the wooden stand. It looks a little different. Here is a paper here that tells you all the different models that they have, a list of all of them, the ones that they carry. It's a lot of them. Skymarks models.com. Here's part of the stand. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the wings. Like I said, it's got the landing gear. Here's the other wing. Here's the engines, and the engines are they spin. Nice. Let's see, let me put it together here. There it goes. There goes the first engine. Let's go for the second one. I'm expecting another American Airlines with the old livery. It's 777 as well, I believe, I think. Oh, this is very easy to snap on together. So there it goes. I just need the elevators. Here they are. I just wish that this stand will have all the information just like the other ones. Here's the wood stand. Here's the elevators. Let's see. Whoops, wrong side. You know, sometimes I go on eBay trying to look to purchase airplanes, and sometimes I will see some airplanes on there, some models, and I guess people don't really know, but they be putting the wings upside down, so instead of the curve looking like that, it looks upside down and it looks just kind of weird. I kind of laugh at it, but you know, I'm pretty sure they don't really know, you know, how to put a plane together. So here's some screws. So I'm guessing I'm gonna need a screwdriver to screw this on the wood. Luckily I have one here, so, and I didn't even know about it. Let's see. So, well, before I do that, I really want to talk about this airplane first. And like I said, it looks, I think it's a little bigger than all the other 777s that I have, and of course this a dash 300. So yeah, maybe that's the reason why, or that's the reason why actually. But yeah, everything on it, it's very, very detailed. It's got a registration number here. It's got the American flag, the registration number. It's N718AN. Then it's got 7LB on the bottom. I really like it. Really like this model, the new livery. When I was in Los Angeles, I had the opportunity to see several 777s landing and taking off. So yeah, it's 777. It's one of my favorite Boeings. I will say it rolls really easy. The wheels, the landing gear on the front doesn't turn to the sides. You know, that will be cool, but oh well. It's gonna be on the stand most of the time. But yeah, I really recommend it. This is a very, very good model. Very detailed. Very realistic. It's by Skymarks, and it's really long. It's probably about 12 to 13 inches.